morning, my dear students. So students, now we know about remainder, right? So today we will learn dividing two-digit number with remainder. Okay? So suppose I have to divide 59 by 5. So we'll use long division method. So we'll make a box. Inside the box we'll write the dividend, that is 59, and outside the box we will write the divisor, that is 5. Okay, so in case of two-digit number, first of all we'll see the tens place value. Okay, so this one is tens place value and this one is ones place value. So first of all we'll see the tens place value. Okay, so 5 is there, so it is equal to the divisor. So now we'll check the multiplication table of divisor and we'll see 5 is there or not. So we know that 5 ones are 5. So we'll write 1 here and we'll write 5 here. Okay, now we'll do subtraction. So 5 minus 5, it will be 0, and now where we will write the 9? This 9 will comes down. Okay, so now we'll write this 9 here. Okay, so now again we'll see the multiplication table of 5 and we'll find out 9 is there or not. If 9 is not there, which number is there that is slightly smaller than 9? So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 10 is bigger than 9, right? So we'll choose 5 ones are. So we'll give here 1 again and here we'll write 5. Now again we'll do subtraction. Now 9 minus 5, it will be how much? 4, right? So as you can see, this number is less than divisor. So whenever we get the number that is smaller than the divisor, so this number is what? Remainder. Okay, so here our quotient is what? 11, and our remainder is what? 4. Now we'll check our answer that our division is correct or not. So in order to check our answer, what we will do? First of all, we'll multiply these two number. So 5 11s are 55, and now we'll add this remainder. So 55 plus 4, 59. So we got our dividend, right? So what I did, I take the divisor and multiplied it with quotient, then add it with the remainder. And if I got the dividend, then my answer is correct. And here I got 59, so my answer is what? Correct. Okay, so like this only we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Now my dear students, see exercise 4, page number 142. See the first one. So 39 divided by 3. So here the divisor is what? 3, and dividend is what? 39. So we'll see the tens place value. So 3 is there. So now we'll check the divisor multiplication table, that is the 3 multiplication table, and we'll see if 3 is there or not. So 3 ones are 3, we know this one, so we'll write here 1, and below here we'll write 3. Now we'll do subtraction. 3 minus 3, it will be 0. Now 9, this will come down, and now again we'll see the multiplication table of divisor. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we'll write 3 here, and we'll write 9 here. So here our quotient is what? 13, and our remainder is what? 0. Like this only you have to write. Okay. Now see B part. So 46 is the dividend. So we'll write 46. And here we'll write the divisor, that is 2. So now we'll see the tens place value. 4 is there. Always remember, divisor should be equal to or less than the dividend. Okay, that means, okay, if suppose 13 is there and we have to divide this 13 by 2. Now we'll see the tens place value. So it is what? 1, right? And here it is what? 2. So dividend, or I can say the value that is in tens place, it must be equal to or greater than the divisor. So 1 is less than 2, right? 1 is smaller than 2. So in that case we'll choose 2 number. Okay, we'll not see only the tens place, we'll see tens place as well as ones place. Is it clear? Okay. Now see B part. So 46 is there, and we have to divide 46 by 2. So see the tens place. 4 is there, which is greater than 2 or greater than the divisor. So we'll see only 4, will not take 46. Now we'll see the multiplication table of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we'll write 2 here and 4 here. Now we'll do subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. This 6 will comes here. Now we'll see multiplication table of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So we'll write 3 here and 6 here. So our answer is what? 0. Sorry, remainder is what? 0. So quotient is what? 23. And remainder is what? 0. Okay. Now see C part. So our dividend is what? 72, and divisor is what? 4. Now we'll see the value that is in tens place. So value is what? 7. Now 7 is greater than 4, so we'll take only one number. So we'll see now multiplication table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now 8 is what? Greater than 7. So we'll choose what? 4 ones are 4. So we'll give 1 here and we'll write here 4. Now we'll do subtraction. So 7 minus 4, it will be how much? 3. And now this 2 will comes down. Now see, Now here what we will do, we'll take the two numbers together. Now we'll not take only tens place value. Okay, so after subtracting any number while dividing these two, okay, if we get any number, so we'll include that number also. That means we'll take 3 as well as 2. Okay, now the number is what? 32. So we'll now check the multiplication table of 4 and we'll see if 32 is there or not. If 32 is not there, we'll take the number that is slightly smaller than 32. Now we know that 4 8s is what? 32. So our remainder is what? 0. So our quotient is what? 18. And our remainder is what? 0. Okay. Now see D part. Dividend is 69 and divisor is 3. Now we'll see the place value, tens place value. So 6 is there, which is greater than 3. So we'll take only 6. So now we'll see the multiplication table of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now we'll write 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6, it will be 0. We'll write this 9 here. We can also write 0. Okay. Okay. Now we'll see the multiplication table of 3. So 9 is there or not. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we'll write here 3 and here 9. 9 minus 9, it will be what? 0. So here quotient will be what? 23 and remainder will be what? 0. Okay. Okay, now see E part. 28 is there and we have to divide it by 2. So we'll see the tens place value. So 2 is there, which is equal to the divisor. So if a number is equal to the divisor, then we'll take only that number. We'll not include two numbers. So we'll see the multiplication table of 2. So 2 1s are 2. Now 8, it will be here. After 2 minus 2, we'll got 0. Now 2 4s are 8. So our quotient will be what? 14 and our remainder will be what? 0. Okay. Okay. So one more. Let me do this one. So 56 is there and we have to divide it by 4. Now we'll see the place value of tens. So in tens place value, 5 is there. So 5 is greater than 4, right? So we'll take only 5. So now we'll see the multiplication table of 4, if 5 is there or not. Let's see. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 5 is not there, so we'll take the number that is slightly smaller than 5, which is the 4. So we'll write 4 1s are 4. Now we'll do subtraction. 5 minus 4, it will be 1 and this 6 will be comes down. Now our number is what? 16. Now in multiplication table of 4, 16 is there or not? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So we'll write 4 here and 16 here. So our remainder is what? 0. So here what we got? Quotient is 14 and remainder is what? 0. Okay. So I hope that you have understood how to divide two-digit numbers, right, with remainder. Now my dear students, see page number 143. So the rest of this question, that is G, H, I, J, K and L, you will do these 6 questions in your classwork copy. Okay, so just like this, you have to first of all see the tens place value. If the tens place value is greater than the divisor or equal to than the divisor, then we'll take only the tens place value. Otherwise, if it is smaller than the divisor, we'll take the two values. We'll take tens place value as well as ones place value. Okay, so that's all for today.